Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to download Reddit on PC. The process is simple. You simply have to search for Microsoft Store, open the app, and once the app is opened, on the search bar, type Reddit and hit enter. In here you will find the Reddit app. You can directly click on Get or go inside the app, click on the tab and find more detailed information about it. You can read the description, everything. Now to simply download, click on Get. And that is how you download Reddit on your PC. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.